What to do if you find contraband in your child's possession. If you find contraband in your child's possession, your first reaction can actually make the legal situation worse. Hi, I'm Kevin Stockstill, criminal defense attorney with years of experience handling criminal cases here in Louisiana. In these situations, most parents act with emotion first. They try to fix the problem immediately. They confront the child, they ask questions, they try to understand what happened, or in some cases, they try to delete or remove the material. But legally, that can create complications, because once law enforcement becomes involved, the focus is no longer just what was found. It becomes how it was handled. And that distinction matters a lot in criminal investigations. In Louisiana and federal cases involving alleged contraband, especially digital material, investigations often begin long before any arrest. They usually start with a report, a digital flag, or a third-party alert. From there, law enforcement may seek a search warrant. And once a warrant is executed, devices are seized and analyzed by forensic investigators. That includes phones, computers, cloud accounts, and storage systems. What most people don't realize is that the original content is not the only focus. Investigators also look at access history, download patterns, user accounts, metadata, file storage locations. This is how cases are built, not just from what exists, but from how it got there. One of the most important things in these cases is preservation of evidence. Even well-intentioned actions, like deleting files, resetting a device, or attempting to fix the situation, can create legal complications. Not because intent is criminal, because it can affect how evidence is interpreted later in court. Once a device is altered before forensic review, it can raise questions that become part of the prosecution narrative. And in criminal defense, narrative matters as much as facts. Another issue is misunderstanding what possession actually means legally. In many cases, criminal exposure is not just about direct intent. It can also involve access control of devices and digital accounts. That's why these cases require careful legal analysis before any statements are made or decisions are taken, because early decisions often shape the entire direction of the case. In situations like this, the most important step is not to investigate internally. It's not to question extensively or try to resolve it emotionally. It's to secure the situation and seek legal guidance before any further action is taken. Because once law enforcement becomes involved, every step after that becomes part of the legal record. These are extremely serious cases, and they move quickly once they begin. Understanding how they actually work is critical before anything is said or done. That's why early legal guidance can make a significant difference in how the case develops. If you found this helpful, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and follow us on all platforms for more real breakdowns of Louisiana criminal law and federal defense cases.